Hey everybody, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Hey everybody, so yesterday I had to move my solar fountain. I had it over there where the bird houses, bird feeders are, right about where that little guy is right there. But I had to move it here because not only was there too much shade to charge my solar fountain, but I was having to clean that fountain out every other day. Take a wire brush and scrub and clean that up. So I moved it here. I like it here. I liked it better over there in the shade, but that's too much shade for a solar fountain. And like I said, I don't want to clean that thing every day like that. So it looks good there. We have had overcast skies today. We've had some rain off and on. It's going to rain more this afternoon and into tomorrow. So my fountain over there hasn't got enough sun on it yet. The one on the table hasn't got enough sun on it yet to. It's bubbling up a little bit. But this one's doing great. Yeah, that's wonderful. I like it. So it's out in where the sun can get to it more, which means it will bubble more. It will have a nice spray for us to see more. That's great. Everything is looking really good out here in my yard. I'm loving all my sun catchers up here that I've got everywhere. I'm loving all my bird feeders, my fountains. I kept the little one over there. It's no problem to clean out every day. It's not heavy to have to lift. I kept it over there for the doves and the bunny rabbits and so forth. I like it there. Oh, that wind's blowing the water out of there. I'm gonna probably have to do some regular fill up with water on this one every day, or I might have to lower the spray a little more, not be quite so high. I'm not crazy about it being that high anyway. So, anyway, look at my tomato, y'all. It looks like it grew a foot overnight. That thing is really growing up. It has lots of little blossoms on it. So does this one. Lots of blossoms. That's doing well. The yucca, it's filling out. It's going to bloom, open up soon. That's great. Oh, and look. The first of my little wildflowers are blooming. I don't know what they are. See those little white guys there? Look at them. There's some right there. I don't know what those are, but they're blooming. How about that? I put some more seed down on this side the other day because this side is real sparse compared to that side. Can't wait till some more come up and see what they're gonna be. And that shows a bee or whatever that is. Ladybug. That's a ladybug, of course. Okay. Oh, I want to show y'all. Tree's getting more leaves on it. See it? This time, this section right here is this tree. So it's getting more and more leaves. Now it has some damaged limbs. Absolutely. It certainly does. But it's coming on out. See up at the top? Yeah, it's coming out. So the tree's not dying. It just had some damage from the winter storm. And I have had a lot of people in this area, in a group I'm in, talk about how they've lost shrubs, their azaleas, some trees. A lot of people saying it was definitely the storm. Aren't these fun to watch? I love fountains, I sure do. Now that's just on bubble. That's all that one's doing, bubbling up. I don't want it spraying way up, and I may, like I said, change this one. As pretty as it is, I'm going to spill out too much water, and I'll be filling that thing up too often. But that's pretty, I like it. Hear the birds? Isn't that nice? I love it. I just love it. I love this area over here. It's so pretty. I'd like to have a swing up there but it would bother my birds, so I can't do that. That's a sanctuary I made for them. I've got enough spaces for me to sit somewhere else. Y'all had a little mole come through. And get this guy. That's why I put this little whirligig there. But he messed that one up. I don't know if it's going to live or not, but these are doing well. Yeah, these are doing great. And I have one right here. So it's doing well. My little tree, or bush rather, it's got some little bitty new growth on it. This is the one where my son and I, here's some growth down here, one where my son and I have a contest to see who does better. He's already got his in the ground. He put his in the ground right off the bat. I put mine in a bucket first. Oh, y'all look, let me show you something. Let's see if I can do it. See the lizard on the tractor seat? I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. It's one thing about living in the country. Got all kinds of critters. I count that big truck as being a critter. That's doing well. This is already growing through the fence, y'all. My goodness. Every single day there's something new to see. There's a new adventure out here. Oh, and sometimes what I love to do I have to sit right up here in my chair and sit right here. And listen to the sounds of country. Watch the breeze, hear the birds, watch the flag waving in the breeze, watch the fountain, hear the birds sing, the sounds of country. Thanks for dropping in with me today. I enjoy your visit so much. Wish we could do it in person. Y'all come back soon, okay? Bye-bye.